Before I get started today, I'd like to just ask everybody to please subscribe and please hit that bell notification button so that you are notified anytime that I put up a new video. Today I wanted to talk about how to prevent and reverse disease. When you look at the standard medical profession today, basically they're in the treatment business, okay? They will treat your symptoms, okay? They're going to give you a pill, they're going to do surgery, but they're never getting to the root cause, and they're never teaching you how to prevent disease. That's because in medical school they get zero training. They're trained to treat, to give you a pill, to write a prescription, or to cut, or to surgery. We'll just take out the dead tissue, okay? Now, treatment never works, and the symptoms are going to continue, and it's going to come back with a vengeance because you're never getting to the root cause of the problem and eliminating that. The only way that you can ever eliminate the causes of these problems are to detoxify and then regenerate. How do you do that? Well, you can water fast, you can juice fast. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing an orange juice and watermelon cleanse. Hopefully I'll do it, for 2 or 3 days. And it's amazing because, let's face it, I mean, the air we breathe, the food that we eat, even if you're buying organic, you're going to get some toxins from different foods that you eat once in a while. And our bodies are constantly cleansing, and toxins are trying to be removed from the body. But if the elimination cycles in the body are not working optimally, you're going to retain toxins, so you have to go on a water fast, like I say, for a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, or juice fast, which I'm doing now. Oranges, number one, watermelon, another one, great for detoxifying. And then when you go back to eating, eat clean, eat raw foods, eat leafy greens. That's going to help build your body back up. And don't let anybody tell you, oh man, me, I'm too skinny, I don't look good, whatever. I'm 71, okay? And those same people that are saying those things, I can probably run circles around them, okay? So trust me, you can fix your problems. And you know your body better than any doctor. And your immune system is smarter than all the doctors in the world. So when you go on, like for instance, these 2 or 3 days, I'm going to just have oranges and watermelon. I'm juicing the oranges, but I eat the pulp. And then with the watermelon, I'll either eat it or blend it and drink it. But that's all. It's simple. It's only 2 foods. And I don't mix them. Like I'll wait 2 or 3 hours at least before I have one or the other. So mono meals. Keep it easy on your system. Detoxify. And you're going to start to get real healing results. Your immune system knows inherently, it's the way we were designed. It knows how to fix your body. You just have to give your body a chance by not, beating it up, injuring your body every time you eat. By, if you're eating meat, chicken, fish, dairy, cheese, eggs, these things are injuring your body. Now, some people can get through life. I saw a woman the other day on YouTube, 111. Now, I mean, that's amazing what the human body can take. I mean, she was in bad shape, you know, she was having trouble walking, she didn't look very good, but the fact that she's still alive, it shows that the body can take a lot. But, you know, why injure your body? We want to go through life with some zest, some vitality. So detoxify, regenerate. I'm doing it now for 2 or 3 days, and I'll keep you posted on how that goes. And I'm going to show you also in this video a little trip that I took to get the oranges and the watermelon. So enjoy that, and remember, your immune system knows how to fix your body. It's smarter than all the doctors in the world. But you have to give your body a chance. Detoxify and regenerate by staying on 100% raw, mainly fruitarian diet, okay? And you add in your leafy greens, your vegetables, and so forth, you know, but yes, you absolutely need your vegetables, okay? Your leafy greens especially. That's where you're going to get your protein, okay? Although, you know, I'm still hung up on the protein thing. That's how bad this whole thing has gotten. I mean, it's ridiculous. There's protein in oranges. There's protein in watermelon. You know, people say, you know, you can never build muscle by eating, you know, fruit. That's a joke, because we don't need a whole lot of protein to build muscle. And what is it that actually builds muscle? Resistance training. You have to lift weights if you want to build muscle. I personally, I'm not the type of person that wants to get big muscles. I want to be strong, but I don't need big muscles to, you know, so I can walk around, you know, like I'm some big whatever, you know, and believe me, half of those guys, it's water. Half of it is water. It's not really muscle. So, you know, being lean and being strong and functional, that's the goal. That's what you want. So enjoy this trip that I took out to Immokalee. Check it out. You'll see. And that's what you have to do. You have to get out there and search out, wherever you live, where can I get good fruit? Where can I get good produce, vegetables? I've got a market here. I like Sprouts. Sprouts is good, man. I'm telling you, their lettuces are very good. Now, we grow our own, too. I'll show you that later. We're growing our own here. But, you know, when we need it, we go there. It's fresh. It's organic. It's good stuff. Heading out to Immokalee. Got to pick up some fruit. Oranges, watermelons, for sure. And, you know, I just wanted to talk a little bit about eating foods that love you back, like fruit. You know, fruit is an alkaline food, and we want our bodies to be alkaline. If we eat food that causes acid, any animal-based product or even cooked grains and so forth, it creates acids. And that's going to give you problems. So you want that alkaline food as much as you can. And if you're trying to transition, you know, just start adding more fruit to your diet every day. You know, maybe you could start off like, you know, just having fruit for breakfast. And then eventually, you know, start having fruit for breakfast and lunch. and you can work your way up to it. You can transition, you know, then at night you might be craving something savory, you know, so you're going to go for your big salad, or maybe some potatoes or rice and beans if you want. But the goal would be to get to a totally raw diet, because when you're on a raw diet, you're going to feel a lot better. I remember a guy once said, you know, being vegan is like 2, the number 2 on a scale of 1 to 10, or maybe it should be 5 or 6. But being raw vegan is a 10. You feel a lot better. I know I do. Here are the orange groves. You can see though that the orange trees are picked clean here. That's a huge orange grove right here on the left. Today we're going to be looking for probably some Valencias maybe came in, or the pineapple oranges are excellent, and of course the Hamlins are great too. There's some oranges. That have not been picked yet. Sky in Florida. That's one thing I noticed when I moved to Florida. Because it's so flat, the sky just seems huge. I've heard it's like that in Texas also, right? And the clouds and the colors you get from sunsets and sunrises, and the lightning in the summertime, awesome displays. Okay, here we're entering now a little town of Immokalee. The truck's right in front of the sign. There it is. But there's a lot of poverty here, and a lot of migrant workers working here. But it's a great place, of course, to get your fruit, and at a great price. Prices, you can't beat it. Okay, here we are, we're pulling in. All right, Luis is there. Is that Luis? Yeah. This is our man right here. He's waving. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. We're here for the oranges. We got pineapple oranges.
Pineapple orange.
Great. All right.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit. Is Leo here today?
Not today.
Not today.
Not today.
How's he doing? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now, if Leo's going
Hot peppers, regular peppers, potatoes, some watermelons over there. All right, we'll go for 5 boxes.
5 bags?
5.
Okay.
Today we've got my wife's car, so we got some crates here. Thank you, Luis. Oh my goodness, man. All right. What's that, 3 or 4? How many is that, Luis? 4? 5? 4.
today.
That's 5?
Number 5. Yeah, 5.
Okay. So that'll hold us for a week or two. Sometimes we just go on a lot of juice. Found some good watermelons. I got another box of Valencia oranges. So we had a good fruit haul today. More orange groves over here and loads of oranges on the trees. High in vitamin C, that's for sure. And you can't overdose on vitamin C. And please subscribe to the channel and give me a like, give me a thumbs up. All the best, guys. Take care.